Hello viewers, welcome to Audio Viz 360. Today I have this JABRA Elite 5 wireless earbuds. This has battery problem. One is completely dead and one is battery draining issue is there. Without using, this case is draining very fast and even the buds is not having proper backup. So I am going to replace the battery of these two earbuds. The case will start behaving normally. So I am going to show you one of these earbuds. I am going to replace the battery. The other one is similar. You can do it. It is very difficult. If you are expert level, then you can do it. Otherwise, you can send it to me. This is my WhatsApp number. Please do message on this WhatsApp number. I am located here in Bangalore. You can send it through speed post courier. It will be very cheaper to send it here to Bangalore. So I will replace the battery of this model. So before that, to take this apart, we have to give some heat over here because it is pasted. So right round I am going to heat this and I am going to pry this. The beauty of this channel is without any damages we replace the earbuds. That is the beauty, and first quality batteries is used here. So alright, let me take this apart and come here. So after giving heat, I tried prying this. So this earbuds has been separated. So this is the top housing cover. So this is the main earbud, you can see. So there are flex cable here. If you force it, you may end up breaking the flex cable, then earbuds will be of no use. So if you have any doubts of replacing the battery, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. I will do replacement behalf of you. I am staying here in Bangalore, so you can send it through speed post courier to my place. So you can send it from all over India. So alright, now let's replace the battery. We have to slowly pry this. There is a tiny flux cable coming here, you can see. There is the flux cable here. So I am going to replace the battery. These are the batteries which I am going to replace. So these are the brand new batteries. So same batteries are there inside this. So I am going to remove this battery and show you. So same capacity batteries. So alright, now I am going to take this out. So there is a flux cable here. Just we have to lift it slowly. So the clip will come out. So this is the flux cable. Now we have to take this out. So slowly I am going to take this out. So this part. So this you can see the battery here. So these are the same batteries which I have shown you. So this is the battery. You can see. So both are same batteries, same quality, same mAh. So battery backup will be as good as brand new. So now it is a challenge to take out the battery. The two terminals has been soldered here and it is pasted over here. We have to clean this pasting and we have to solder this. While cleaning, few people they break the components here as well. So very carefully you have to remove the glue. So let me remove the glue and remove the two terminals here. You can see plus is written here. This is the positive terminal and this is the negative terminal this side. So let me do that. Let me remove that. So I have removed the glue. Now it's time to take out the lids here. So you can see one I have taken out. So this is the other side. So now I'm going to take this other side. So both terminals I have removed. So you can see there are tiny clips here. So after removing that clip, the battery will come out from this housing with board. So let me do that. So after pushing the clip, the motherboard has come out. So I'm going to keep this here, and now this is the battery which I'm going to take. This is pasted with this housing. So I'm going to remove the battery and I'm going to use this battery. So these are the brand new batteries I'm going to use. So alright. So I have taken out the old battery and installed the new battery here. It is perfect fitting, 100% perfect. So now it's time to install the motherboard. So let me install this. So now I have installed the battery and I have soldered the two terminals here as well. Plus goes to plus and minus goes to minus. So now it's time to put back in the housing and we can connect the flux cable here. So like this. Now I have to connect this flux cable here. Just by keeping properly here and pressing it, it will fix. Now simply I am going to, without pasting it, I am going to close this and let's see the working functionality of this here as well. Now it's time for testing. So I have replaced the battery and everything. Just I am going to keep here. So it is turning off. So perfectly working. So now I am taking out. It is turning on. So this earbuds is perfectly fine. Similarly, I have replaced the battery of the left side here as well. So I'm just keeping here, so you can see it is turning off. So when I take out, it is turning on. So perfectly fine. Now just we have to apply the glue here to close this shell here. So let me use this T7000. This is very good glue for this. So this will resist water as well. So it will seal the earphone so that water will not get inside. So alright, let me apply the glue and close this. So I have applied the glue now. So simply you can see, showing you in the close-up. So right round I have applied the glue so that the complete seal will happen here. So simply you have to close like this. So you can see, you will not even be able to identify that this is even opened and replaced the battery. Still it is not pasted. I have to apply clamp here so that it will fix hard here. So similarly I am going to apply the glue for the other earphone and I will clamp it and I will come here immediately. So both I have been pasted. You can see there is not even a single mark. Very clean work. That is the beauty of this channel, AudioWiz360. So alright, now I am going to keep this. So you can see, I'm just taking it out. So half charge it is. So I am putting it back, turning off. So now let me connect the earbuds and show you the connecting functionality here. This has been prepared already. So just I'm going to open it and I will take this out. Clean this. So you can see battery percentage is 50. So both earbuds are working. Just for demo, I'm going to play a quick song here. So both earbuds are working. I don't have a studio mic here this time, so mild sound might come. I'm taking the earbuds close to the. So alright, so this is working perfectly. So putting this back. So you can see, I'm just putting it back. So red light is blinking. Here red light is blinking. So it is started charging. I hope you like the video. If you have any earbuds like this, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. I am here in Bangalore. So this I got this. So I got this from Haryana to Bangalore. I got 4 earbuds from the same person. This is JABRA. So other 3s I have already uploaded the video. So I have not recreated the content of those models. So this model I have not uploaded yet. So I have created the video for this model, JABRA Elite 5. This is with ANC. So alright, so even if you have any other models also, you can send it to me to this WhatsApp number. You can message me and give me the model numbers and details. I can fix it for you. Any problem like completely dead or battery backup is not coming, so like that cases, you can send it to me. JABRA Elite 65T, 75T, Active 75T, Active 85T, any models I have already replaced and I have experience, lots of experience regarding this. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioWiz360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel, AudioWiz360. Please go through it. So if you like the videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.